This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the basics that actually matter. Check Riot/Valorant server status and make sure Vanguard anti-cheat is running. Launch Valorant as administrator to avoid permission blocks. This often fixes handshake failures. Once done, restart both your PC and router to clear transient network state and switch to a wired connection if possible, because unstable Wi-Fi causes packet loss and timeouts that look like server errors. Now focus on network and local system fixes you can execute step by step. Flush DNS and renew your IP to remove stale records. Disable any VPN or proxy, since IP geolocation issues can block matchmaking. Update your network drivers and reset WinSock to restore socket behavior. Make sure router MTU and co-S settings aren't throttling UDP packets. Adjust or temporarily disable them, because Valorant relies. Finish by repairing the client and clearing persistent software conflicts. Use the Riot client repair tool to verify game files and reinstall Vanguard if its service shows errors. Corrupted anti-cheat often blocks connections. Temporarily allow Valorant through Windows Firewall and antivirus to rule out packet filtering. If problems persist, collect logs, note error codes, and perform a clean reinstall of Valorant. And remember one troubleshooting tip. Test on a different network to isolate ISP versus local PC issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.